We're gonna be working on this today, right, Michaela?
I'm not. I'm recording.
You can be recording, but I'm working on it. You helping me with the camera, right? So.
You don't have to do it alone.
Huh?
So you don't have to do it alone.
I'm gonna be working on the truck today. I got the wheel lock keys finally. This truck means a lot to me. This was my dad's truck and now it's mine, so I can get it fixed. And it hasn't been driven in over 20 years. I'm replacing the gas. The front brakes are locked up. I'm replacing the calipers on that. The clutch master cylinder, it was empty. I'm assuming it's the slave cylinder that's bad, but I also bought a clutch master cylinder just in case. You know, hopefully it wasn't one of the lines, but I think it was the clutch master cylinder. The seals go bad. I'm gonna change the oil, all the fluids, of course, and then we're just gonna get it going. It's hot out, so I'm gonna try to make it quick, but we're gonna be safe.
Video?
Yeah. So, what do you got to say?
Have a great time watching.
All right, so we're gonna go get some fuel line real quick. We gotta get some 5/16 and some 3/8 because we gotta get new fuel line because, come on, let's show them. All right, so see these right here? They, that's close enough right there. See, they rusted out. So we gotta replace the fuel line, not the fuel line, but just the hose because it actually broke off in the fuel hose. So basically, I have to just get a little bit more line to replace that, or hose. I don't know why I keep saying line. More hose, because look, these are good. I got some here, but I need a little bit more. I'm probably gonna get about 3 feet of each. So, all right, guys. So we got some fuel hose and some candy, of course. And what'd you get?
I got a keychain.
You gonna show them the keychain? All right. So we're gonna keep going.
We're gonna keep it going.
Oh yeah, and what else? I got something else too. I got this too. So, this car. ahead and put gas in it now, see if it works. And yeah, one step closer to having a drivable truck. Like I said, I still gotta do the hydraulic issues that's on the truck. Like the master cylinder was empty and the clutch master cylinder was empty. So I gotta address those, but if I can get it to run steady, it'll be good to go. All right, so I did end up getting the brakes to work, so I didn't need to replace anything on the brakes as of yet. I am planning on replacing the master cylinder for the brakes eventually, but just for that day, I got it to drive down the street and come back home. I did replace the clutch master cylinder and the slave cylinder. Right here in the front.